Did you realize कि यार
No,
पीछे कुछ
no. I
कर
realized the first time that I spoke to my mother,
और वो कब था?
February 24th, 2012. I was kidnapped on the 26th of August, 2011. So almost 6 months. I had no contact, no nothing with my family. And he walked in, and for 6 months he told me, "Chal rahe, denge," even though I knew kitni impossible situation hai. And वो आया है रात को, and he said, सुबह अम्मी को फ़ोन करेंगे, अगर पैसे नहीं देती तो आई एम डन विद दिस, 6 महीने इज़ टू लॉन्ग।
और ये उर्दू में बात हो रही
उर्दू
है?
में बात कर रहा था। तो आई वाज लाइक, आपने मुझे कहा था सब कुछ सही जा रहा है, तो ये कहाँ से बात आ गई? कहता है, आई गेस वो मुझे सीरियसली नहीं ले रही, मुझे तुम्हारी ख़ास ज़रूरत नहीं है, भीख मांगो, जो करना है करो, नहीं करते, मैं मेरी प्लेट से मसला उतारो, हम अगले वाले के लिए जाएंगे। एंड ही लेफ्ट। And that's a very eerie feeling too. I didn't sleep. I prayed all night. I prayed. And while I was praying, I had a realization, and that was that don't beg. Don't beg. Say goodbye. Be a man. Even if you scream and it's very painful. Try. And when I say be a man, I'm not saying it as in some macho sense.
More of a dignified बस
Be
whatever,
dignified. That's actually what I meant. Just be dignified. Because it's the last thing that you're going to do. And that's very difficult when you're 25, 6, 27. 'Cause, yeah, I don't have cancer. I don't have a disease. Why must I? I'm not a criminal. I've done nothing. Why am I being murdered like this? So I spoke to my mother, and I told her, I was like, Ammi, I don't want you to watch any of the videos that
What
they
is the
send."
first thing she said when you like?
She was crying, obviously. She hadn't heard my voice. I couldn't recognize her voice. I felt so ashamed. It's crazy, 6 months. एक औरत जिसने आपको बड़ा किया, आपकी परवरिश किया, आप उसकी आवाज़ भूल जाओ. That's how delicate your mind is. And that's how delicate everything is. Your sense
So
of...
जैसी कॉल शुरू हुई, so you said कि कौन है?
No, I knew my mother's number. She picked up. I said, Ammi. And she knew kaun hai. And she's just like, are you okay? Are you okay? And she cried. I cried a lot as well. But I said, listen, I want you to know that I'm made from the same wood as my father, and I'm going to be with him. And I don't want you to watch the videos that they send you. And I love you, and I will wait for you with Abba. And I shut the phone.
और पैसों की बात नहीं कोई?
Nothing. I didn't mention it. So my kidnapper, Waji, ta! Whacked me, called my mother back. I didn't know. मैंने अपनी अम्मी को तो बात ही नहीं दिया बोलने में. I didn't even hear वो क्या कह रही हैं. When he called, he said, oh, वो साउथ कोरियन था जो negotiator था. वो कहता, ma'am, we'll let you know where to pick the body up from.
South Korean?
South Korean engineer. तो कहते
So he was with the Talibs?
He was with the Uzbeks.
Uzbeks.
तो क्या, ma'am, we'll let you know where to pick up the body. तो मेरी अम्मी कहती है, I'll let you know where to pick up your bodies. And that's the first time I realized, what bodies is she talking about? And I realized मेरे सारी गेम में वो चाबी जो थी ना,
वो 4 लोग थे.
उन्होंने इनको फंसा दिए. Because I took the key out and threw it on the side. वो बंदा जब बैठा, उससे गाड़ी नहीं ऑन हो रही थी. That's why he called the spotter. अब I also know कि इन लोगों को कोई वो नहीं है, इमोशनल अटैचमेंट किसी आदमी से नहीं है. 4 बॉडियाँ या एक हैं, तू भेज 4, हम भी भेजते हैं.
और वो होंगे भी लो लेवल प्रॉब्ली.
बट मेरे किडनैपर के लिए बहुत हाई लेवल थे. तो अब वो एक बैक एंड फोर्थ कर रहे हैं. एंड मेरी अम्मी कहती हैं, गिव माई सन द फोन. बड़ी सख्ती से उन्होंने कहा, मेरे बेटे को फ़ोन. तो मैंने कहा जी. तो शी गोज, डोंट एवर टॉक टू मी लाइक दैट अगेन, ever in your life. And remember, I've left you in Allah's hands, and you're going to come home. And don't ever say goodbye to me again. And I think she shut the phone. But she didn't. I always joke about it. She gets very angry कि तो पता नहीं क्यों हंस के ये कहानी बताते हो, मेरी जान निकली हुई थी. But she's a very, very, very brave woman. And it'll also, this story will give you a little bit of idea from where my father got the strength when he used to step out. When he used to say, यार मैं इधर जा रहा हूँ. अगर वो उस वक्त रोक देती तो शायद बहुत नर्वसली बंदा फिर जाता है. आई एम टेकिंग द किड्स एंड आई एम लीविंग. आई कांट डू दिस एनीमोर. while you want to go out and fight for Asya
Yeah.
Bibi, or you want to go out and fight for, and your wife is like, अगर तुमने ये फिर से करना है, you want to go down this road, I've already spent 10 years in and out of jail. अगर आपने ये करना है, I'm taking the kids and I'm leaving. But my mother has never used these words with my father.